impressed, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way, yeah. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me.
Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
So I'm just trying to show you guys a close-up look of the handheld steamer that I have. I did get this from Amazon and I will link the steamer below. I also have another steamer for my clothes and I will link that one also. So I'm just showing you guys the little compartment that you put water in. And so I just fill that up and I steam. I also, you guys, use this on my face. So I keep this on my bathroom countertop as a steamer because I steam my face every morning. And for me, it does good. I love it. I love steaming my face to make sure I get all my moisturizer in my face. So I love it. This steamer puts out 1,540 watts of steam. The second steamer that I mentioned is an 1,800 watt closed steamer.
To the sky if you feelin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Put your hands to the sky if you catchin' a vibe. We ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
Right here, I'm trying to show you guys the steam. You can't really see it, but it is a lot of steam that's coming out of here for a handheld steamer.
Isn't it funny? We came to that.
Before I actually steam my curtains, I usually wash them. I wash the family room curtains and the curtains that are hanging in the breakfast room. I wash 2 panels at a time. I wash them on cold water. I do not dry these curtains because they will shrink. If anybody is interested, I will link these curtains in the description box below. I did get these from IKEA.
Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can't get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday.
Also, you will see me using a bottle of water that I spray on the curtains just to make it damp since they are dry, and it just helps get the wrinkles out faster. And as I was up here steaming and spraying with the bottled water, I decided, let me try to use the Febreze and see how that would work. You guys, that Febreze and steaming, it left the whole house smelling so good. I don't know why I didn't think about this at first, but just a little tip, spray Febreze on your curtains when you steam them, or just spray them on your curtains even when you're not steaming them. It smelled so good. I don't know why I didn't think about that at first, because I always spray it on there when I'm just spraying the house.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, I'm running away from, yeah, give me something. You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me.
You guys, there's not a set time that I wash these curtains. I've only washed these curtains a couple of times, and we've been here 3 years, I believe, or almost 3 years. So just when they are looking kind of dusty, or I just feel like they need to be washed, I will wash them. Because like I said, I do wash 2 panels at a time, and it does take time. So I have to do this when I'm not busy, if I'm not running errands, if the girls don't have any events for school or anything. That's the only time I will stop and do this kind of thing. So I just wanted to share this with you guys.
But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark?
As always, guys, thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I welcome each and every person. I love to talk to you guys in the comment section, so I appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're visiting. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call